So in last lecture we have completed till 42.
Yes, sir.
What is equation of continuity for streamline flow?
A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2.
A1 V1 equals to A2 V2. Try next one. Then ideal fluid flows through circular cross section of diameter 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter.
Sir, option A.
Pardon?
Option A.
Option A, correct. A1 V1 is A2 V2. Therefore, velocity at A to velocity at B is area at 2 upon area at A, which is nothing but R2 upon R1 the whole square. Ratio of radii is same as that of diameter. So it is 10 upon 5 ka square 1 by 4, correct. Forty-four try. V1 is 4, D1 is 8. It is connected to pipe at the tip of diameter 2. Find the velocity V2. Same way, try and tell the answer. V1 upon V2 is A2 upon A1. That is D2 upon D1 ka square. So it will be 4 upon V2 is equals to 2 upon 8 square. Therefore, V2 equals to 64 meter per second. Option B. What next also? 44.
Yes, sir.
Try 45. Water flows through a pipe of varying cross section. Ratio of speed at point 1 and 2 is how much? if radii are R1, R2. So V1 upon V2 is R2 upon R1 square. Just now we did. Option A, 46. Horizontal tube of non-uniform cross-section has radius 0.1 and 0.05 respectively at M and N. So R1 is 0.1, R2 is 0.05. For streamline flow of liquid, the rate of flow of liquid is greater at M. Where it will be greater? Hello? Because A1, B1 is A2, B2. So smaller the area, more the speed, and so on. So R2 is less than R1. Therefore, V2 will be greater than V1. V2 means N. So it is greater at N than at M. Option C. Hello? Hello, completed?
Yes, sir.
47. I think you can try 47. Just all. What answer you all got? 47th wala? Is it coming B?
So 5 point, yeah.
5.40 के आसपास में B
Yes, sir.
is correct. B is correct. Shall I do or you will get? Hello यश, solve करूँ क्या आ जाएगा? आ गया?
सर आ जाएगा.
Just try. Aniket, Ankita, Rahul, you all try. Say answer whether it is coming same.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
48. Correct. 48 देखते हैं अभी. Liquid is allowed to flow into tube of truncated cone shape. Identify correct answer. Speed is high at wider end and low at narrow end. No. Speed is low at wider and high at narrow. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
48. 49. In the figure, velocity V3 will be how much? So this is the pipe. In between there is opening and then it flows like this. V1, A1, V2, A2, A3, V3. And values are given 4.2, area 0.2, velocity 2. This is 0.4 and V3 we have to calculate. So this is like current flowing. I is I1 plus I2, na?
Yes.
So here you will write A1 V1 is splitting into A2 V2 plus A3 V3. Now once you know this, then I think you can manage. Just write this and find the answer.
Sir, option C.
Option C is correct. Next one. This option is C is correct. Next 50th. Cylindrical tube of a spray pump has cross-section area of 80 centimeter square, one end of which has 40 fine holes. Number of holes equals to 40. Each area of hole is equals to 10 raised to minus 8 meter square. This is 80 centimeter, 8 centimeters. Cylindrical spray pump has the cross-section area of 8, one end of which has 40 hole of 10 raised to minus if liquid flows inside the tube with a speed of that is A1, here V1, 0.15 meter per minute. That will become 0.15 meter upon 60 per second, which will be 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 60. That is 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second. Speed at which liquid will be ejected from the hole will be how much? This is the question. That means if this is spray brush, here there is cylinder through which water is entering, and here there are many holes through which the water will come out. So we are interested in what will be the speed of water coming out through entire hole. So we know that A1 V1 will be A2 V2. A1 area A1 is 8 centimeters square. That is 8 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. Into V1 is 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. For A2 you have to take 8 holes ka area. So it is number of hole 40 hole into area of each hole 10 raised to minus 8 into velocity V2 we have to calculate. Now simplify. 2 into 10 raised to minus 6, 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 V2. So V2 equals to 10 raised to minus 6 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore, V2 will become 0.5 into 10 raised to 1. So 5 meter per second, option. 5 meter per second, option B. Done?
Yes, sir.
51. A cylindrical tank is filled with water to level of 5 meter. A cylindrical tank filled with water up to the level of 5 meter.
Sir, 3 centimeter dear.
3 meter है वो, 3 meter. Level of 3 meter. उधर 3 सेंटीमीटर प्रिंट हुआ है,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
उसको मीटर लिख देना अपने बुक में, 3 मीटर. A hole is opened at 52.5 from bottom. A hole is opened at 52.5 centimeter from the bottom. The ratio of area of hole to that of cross-sectional area of the cylinder, ratio of hole to the area of cylinder is given 0.1. The square of speed with which water is coming out through the hole is how much? What is height from the free surface? Can I say it will be height from free surface? इसको capital H बोलता हूँ. Height from free surface of liquid equals to 3 meter minus 0.525 centimeter to meter if I convert. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this will become 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2, 7, 4, 2.475 meter. What is formula for velocity acquired when body comes through an orifice? Root of 2gh. Correct?
Yes.
So this will become root square पूछा है. So square will become 2gh. So 2 into g 9.8. You can take approximately 10. 2.475. So if I take this is close to 10. नहीं बहुत नजदीक है. 50.5, 50, 9.80 लेता हूँ because बहुत नजदीक का वैल्यू है. So this will be 19.6 into 2.475. 19.6 into 2.475. 19 into 2 is 38. 19 into 4. If you take 10, you will get as 20, 48. एकदम नजदीक का वैल्यू है, so we have to actually multiply and check. 19.6 into
They
2.47.
have given take G as 10.
They have given 10? Yes, yes, given. Then it is very simple. Take GS 10. So this is 20. Now it is easy. 2 into 5 is 10, 14 and 15. 2 4 is 8, 1, 9. And 2 into 2, 4. 49.5. 49.5 is close to 50 we can take. A option. Hello? Option A. So which principle we have used here? This is which principle wala sum? Torricelli's principle.
Torricelli.
Yes. From the height h from the free surface there is an orifice. So velocity acquired is root 2gh. A confusion के लिए ratio of area दे दिया आपको. So that you use A1 V1 is A2 V2. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Next sum, 52. The cylindrical tube of a spray pump has radius r. One end has n fine. Tube has radius r, and the other end there are n fine holes of radius r. Speed of liquid in the tube is v. Then speed of ejection of liquid through the hole will be how much? So same principle, A into V is n times A of hole into V of hole. Pi r square B is n pi r square V of hole. Pi cancel. So r square V upon small r square is V coming out from hole. Upon n. R square V upon nr square, that is option D. Option D.
Done, sir.
53. A cylinder of height h. A cylinder of height h is filled with water and is kept on a block of height h by 2. Block of height h by 2. The level of water in the cylinder is kept constant. 4 holes are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 are at the side of cylinder at start. So there is one hole here, then another hole 2, 3, 4 at intervals of h by 4. This is h by 2 and last one is h by 3, h by 4. When all the 4 holes are open, hole from which water will reach farthest distance of plane PQ in the hole is. Which will reach to the farthest distance from which hole. I had proved for you from which hole the liquid will move with the fastest speed. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Had it been kept on this table directly, तो h by 2 से सबसे दूर जाता है, h by 2. अभी एक टेबल के ऊपर रख दिया है, फिर बोला है कितना फार्दर जाएगा. तो जरा मैं प्रूफ कर देता हूं आपके लिए. अच्छे से डायग्राम बनाता हूं एक बार फिर से. This is one block which is h by 2 and h is water. Suppose at distance y from free surface, water is coming with velocity v and covers horizontal distance x. So we want to check this distance pq is maximum if y is how much? What is formula for velocity of efflux? Root of 2 times gh, h is here, y we have taken. Time taken by water to reach this horizontal distance will be equals to horizontal velocity we know, horizontal distance we are knowing. I'm finding what will be the velocity time taken. Hello?
Yes, sir.
How much vertical distance it is covering? H by 2 plus H minus Y, na? This total distance minus Y is this distance, na? Vertical.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So since displacement is ut plus half at square, so vertical distance is h by 2 plus h minus y. Vertical velocity is 0 in y direction. It will be half. अब ये पूरा माइनस में रहेगा, पुल डाउनवर्ड, और ये भी माइनस इंटू जी टी स्क्वायर, तो माइनस माइनस आई कैन कैंसिल. दैट मीन्स टी स्क्वायर will be 2 times h by 2 plus h minus y upon g in root will become t. Now in same time it is covering horizontal distance. Just copy till this. Then we'll find horizontal distance, take derivative, it will come to 0. So time taken is 3h minus 2y upon g to cover vertical distance. Same time it will cover horizontal distance x. Completed till this now?
Yes, sir.
Horizontal distance, comma, x equals to velocity into time, because there is no g in horizontal direction, root of 2g y into root of 3h minus 2y upon g. G gets cancelled. So this will become root of 2y into 3h minus 2y for maximum x dx with respect to y should be 0. So what will be maximum for which value of y? X is maximum. So therefore derivative of x with respect to y. Derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root 2y 3h minus 2y. The derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 root x. So I use this formula. बाद में अंदर वाले का डेरिवेटिव, ये पूरे का डेरिवेटिव 2y का डेरिवेटिव will be 2 into 3h minus 2y 1 upon 2 root x into derivative of ये पूरा. Here y is variable, rest all are constant. So 2y का derivative to this bracket. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this will become 0. Now this means this bracket is 0 because cross multiply sub 0 हो जाएगा. So 3h minus this is 2 y into 3h minus 4y square. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव रफली बता दो. dy of this 6yh minus 4y square is that will be 1 upon 2 root into the 6yh का derivative will be 6h minus of 8y. This is 0. Therefore 6h minus 8y is 0. 6h equals to 8y. Y equals to 6h upon 8, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So y is 3h by 4. That means for maximum, it should be from 3h by 4 wala. This time. Three h by 4 means which whole number? Hello? 3h by 4 from the top means where it will be?
First whole,
Which one?
whole number 1.
Second वाला आएगा. 1 तो 0 पे है ना, at h by 2 from the bottom.
Yes.
तो second वाला h minus h by 4 करोगे तो आ जाएगा 3h by 4 from top. तो ये 0 है फर्स्ट वाला. तो दूसरा वाला बोला h by 4. इधर से h by 4 तो टॉप से h 3h by 4 हो गया ना. सेकंड वाला हो गया. सेकंड हो गया ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट वन 54. थोड़ा घर पे वापस एक बार और प्रैक्टिस करना. व्हाट वी डिड, we found vertical time taken for vertical distance, then same time में horizontal, then derivative. Shall I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next one is theoretical simple one. Which of the following is Torricelli's law? Is it B, root 2 GH? B na, correct?
Yes, sir.
Before B. 55. A fluid is in streamline flow across horizontal pipe of variable area for which of the following statement is correct? For which the following statement is correct? A fluid is in a streamline flow across the velocity is maximum at narrow part of the pipe and pressure is maximum at the widest part of the pipe. See, velocity is maximum at narrowest part is correct. Pressure is maximum is not correct because pressure कम तो velocity ज़्यादा होगा. Both are maximum. No. So answer D should be correct one. 55 का D. Check. Is it correct for you? Read properly.
Sir, why not B?
In fact, A is correct. क्योंकि कैसे बोला है? Velocity and pressure both are maximum at narrowest point. Pressure is maximum at widest point. बराबर था, मैंने सोचा वो narrow ही दिया है. See, what is pressure का formula for Bernoulli's principle at same height? P plus half rho B square A constant था ना ये. मतलब ये सम अगर कांस्टेंट रखना है तो ये कम ज्यादा तो ये कम करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
वेलोसिटी इज मैक्सिमम एट नैरो. ये तो परफेक्ट है. तो वेलोसिटी इधर मैक्सिमम है तो इसका प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा नैरो पे. तो प्रेशर ज्यादा चाहिए तो प्रेशर मैक्सिमम इज एट वाइड वाला वाइड पार्ट. बिकॉज एक और फॉर्मूला है अपने पास सेम हाइट पे. P1 माइनस P2 इज रो टू V2 माइनस V1 स्क्वायर. तो ये बड़ा तो P1 छोटा एंड वाइस वर्सा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. वेलोसिटी मुझे डी भी थोड़ा डाउट लग रहा है, लोग ने रॉन्ग प्रिंट किया. इफ बी इज हाँ नैरो पार्ट पे मैक्सिमम बराबर. ठीक है. ए इज राइट. ट्राई 56. 56 you got the answer? Water is moving with the speed of 5 meter per second through a pipe of area 4 centimeter square. The water gradually descends 10 meter as the pipe increases in area to 8 centimeter square. So it descend means covers the distance of 10 meter. If the pressure at upper level descends, the pressure at upper level is 1.5, then pressure at lower level we have to calculate. This is the question. at least from A1 V1 I can get from A2 V2. So A1 V1 is A2 V2 करके मुझे V2 मिल जाएगा. Yes, Ayush, any doubt?
No, sir.
अब ये कौन से हाइट पे था फ्रॉम द सरफेस वी डोंट नो. डिसेंड मतलब इतना हाइट नीचे आ गया ना वो. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट आई कैन से V2 फ्रॉम दिस इज A1 V1 अपॉन A2. A1 कितना दिया है 4 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, सो 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. V1 is 5. This is 8 into 10 raised to minus 4. Cancel. 4 2s are 8. मतलब 5/2, or you can write 2.5 meter per second is the velocity at this end. Copy this much first. ऐसा टाइप का descents. So till V2 you have done. I'm clearing this part. Till V2 you have done, na?
Yes, sir.
Now by Bernoulli's principle, we know velocity at 2 point. एक पॉइंट का प्रेशर दूसरे पॉइंट का प्रेशर निकालना है, बट हाइट इज नॉट सेम. सो P1 प्लस हाफ रो V1 स्क्वायर प्लस रो जी H1 will be equals to P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho G H2. Therefore P2 we are interested in. It will be P1 plus half rho V1 square minus V2 square plus rho G H1 minus H2. P1 is 1.5 into 10 raised to 5 plus half. Water का density in SI 10 raised to 3. V1 is 5 square, V2 5/2 लेता हूँ, decimal निकल जाएगा. Plus rho 10 raised to 3, G is 10 and height is H2 minus H1, also 10 meter. So this is equals to 1.5 into 10 raised to 5 plus half into 10 raised to 3. 5 square is 25 minus 25 upon 4 plus 10 raised to 5. This also I am arranging in 10 raised to 5 so that it will become like term. Plus half into 25 by 4. 100 minus 25, 75 by 25 to 400 minus 25, 75 upon 4 into 10 raised to 3 plus 10 raised to 5. That will be 1.5 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0.75 upon 8 into 10 raised to 5 plus 10 raised to 5. So 2.5 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0.08 into 9, 72. 8 into 9, 72, remainder 3, 30. Approximately you can take 30 है ना, तो 8 into 324.09 इधर तक लिया तो भी चलेगा, into 10 raised to 5. So 2.59 into 10 raised to 5, that is 2.6 into 10 raised to 5. 2.6 into 10 raised to 5 is which option number? B. Difficult sum because ये पहला sum है जिसमें हाइट सेम नहीं दिया था, अदरवाइज मोस्टली इट सेम हाइट पे पूछ लेते हैं प्रश्न.
Done, sir.
Seven. There are two identical small holes on the opposite side of the tank containing a liquid. It is open at the top. Difference in height between the two holes. Difference in height at the two hole is h. As the liquid comes out of the two hole, tank experiences net horizontal force which is proportional to how much? One hole, the other hole, height is h. Difference is h. So net horizontal force as the liquid comes out of the two hole velocity the tank, the net horizontal force is proportional to what? थोड़ा सा concept जोड़ेंगे. Now area of the hole is same or different? Correct? Area of the hole is same or different? Hello?
Same.
Same. So if this height is h1 or a height h2 from free surface of liquid. So we can say force exerted क्योंकि net पूछा है. Force exerted on lower hole F1 equals to mass into acceleration. Force upon area is pressure. Hello? Because we don't know acceleration, so pressure into area I can find. Hello?
Yes.
So pressure into area. Pressure is H1 into density rho into G into area. Area is suppose A. That will give H1, height H1, rho into G into area. See, V square is U square plus 2AS. Can I use this formula? V square equal to U square plus 2S. So free surface velocity 0 is 2AS. Therefore, V square upon 2S is acceleration.
Yes, sir.
अभी S मतलब H, H मतलब वो H1. So density is mass into acceleration. Mass is density into volume into acceleration, which is V square upon 2 into distance. Volume is nothing but area into height, that is displacement. This is V square upon 2S. V square is 2GH. S cancel हो जाएगा. So it will become velocity at first time is V1 square. So rho A V1 square upon 2 is the force thing. This is right. और थोड़ा इजी लगना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा जल्दी लग रहा है. प्रेशर से गया तो फोर्स एक्टिंग इज प्रेशर इनटू एरिया. चलो दूसरा मेथड से करता हूँ, ये मुझे थोड़ा सा हिंदी लग रहा है. सो इट इज प्रेशर एट 1 into area. Force exerted at upper end or upper hole from F2 is pressure at upper hole into area A. So net pressure, net force acting, H1 का pressure ज़्यादा है, so it will be F1 minus F2, that is P1A minus P2A. This is nothing but A common, P1 minus P2. So this will be A into H1 rho G minus H2 rho G. That is A rho G H1 minus H2, which is A rho G into H. So force is directly proportional to H, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो अभी लेक्चर चालू है, आपको पहले ही बोलता हूँ आंसर निकाल के रखना, आप बोलते सब है, बाद में बीच में ऐसा टेंशन देते हो, कैसे कर पाएगा आदमी? Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Next one, 58. Water is flowing in a streamlined motion through a horizontal pipe. Pressure at a point in a tube is P, where velocity is rho. At another pipe, pressure is P by 2. Velocity of the flow is how much if density of water is rho. So it is moving streamlined flow, it is given. So we know for streamlined flow at same height, P plus half rho v square is constant. So P plus half rho v square is pressure P by 2 plus half rho v 2 square, which we want. So it will become P by 2 P plus half rho v square minus P by 2 is half rho v2 square. So P by 2 plus half rho v square is half rho v2 square. Throughout this 2 we can cancel. If I divide throughout by rho, we get P upon rho plus v square equals to v2 square. Therefore, v2 equals to root of P by rho plus v square. This is the required answer. P by rho plus v square. Option A.
Done, sir.
59th is theoretical. Can you tell? 59. Which of the following is not related to Bernoulli's principle? Rise of liquid column is not Bernoulli's principle. So A. 68. Bernoulli's principle is based on law of conservation of energy, that is D. 61. To get maximum flight, a ball must be thrown as which direction? To get maximum flight, a ball must be thrown. They have given three. One is rotational and translation. That means rolling, rolling, and translation. To get maximum flight, it must be thrown in which direction? Maximum flight means going up or coming down?
Throwing up.
Yes. So one is clockwise, other is anti-clockwise, other is straight. अभी straight वाले में तो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि least energy हो गया ना. Next one, clockwise means positive or negative?
Negative.
And anti-clockwise?
Positive.
Positive means right, na?
Yes.
So right and right add will give more energy to flight.
Yes, sir.
That's what answer is B. Because anti-clockwise is right and already it is pushed in right, net effect will be addition. So more energy, therefore it will have maximum flight. 62 is also theoretical. Tell that. Pressure head in Bernoulli's principle is, which is pressure head? P upon rho g is called pressure head. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So P upon rho g pressure head. What is velocity head? V square upon 2g is called velocity head. And only H is called gravitational head. So here they want pressure head, therefore option B. So that's all for today. Next class, same time, we'll try to complete till at least 100 sum, because after 71 all the sums are very easy. Next class, same time as usual. Sunday's test is, Monday test will be on